Hello viewers, welcome to our today tutorial on how to register your unregistered global mapper. So this will pop up. This is a group, like you can see it's showing unregistered. So this will pop up. Once this pop up, you go to your offline activation and click on it, then continue. Then it will pop up, you click continue again. Then by doing so, it will enable you your clock this thing to activate your license. Without you going on click on this off activation, your license will not be successfully. So this is it. I have successfully clicked the activation, so you can see. So as I drag it and put it here, I will replace it successfully. Continue. But before, you should deny access. So the global mapper have been successfully registered for now. So this is how to register your global mapper for your license to be activated. So now I will move on. You can see now it's now showing register. You have successfully registered our global mapper. So please subscribe to this channel, like and share, and stay tuned for other tutorials. Ensure that you register your global mapper on that offline activation. Click on it, then continue. So you are successfully registered for this online. Stay tuned for our video. I will show you on how to download your global mapper. Thank you. Subscribe and share.